Last problem on 7.3, number 11. We are still dividing. We are dividing by a polynomial, which again is just over 1. So you're going to do copy dot flip. Again, I like to factor immediately. And if you look here, it is a trinomial, but I have a 6 and 8 term out in front, so it is going to be a little more challenging. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this problem here. And what I know is it's going to be x, and x has to be a positive times a negative to give me a negative. And I'm looking to simplify with whatever this is on the other side, which I'm going to copy dot flip 1 over, and I'm going to take out my greatest common factor of x, and I'm left with 3x plus 5. And 3x plus 5, well, that may be a possibility right here. 3 times what is 6? 2 has to be a negative. 5 times what is 15? 3. And let's see if this works. If I multiply the outside, that's negative 9. The inside's positive 10. And does that have a difference of 1? For sure. Alright? So, made it kind of easy that way. Over 4x squared right here. And now I'm going to look to simplify. And yes, I can factor simplify out the 3x plus 5s. That is it. I'm going to multiply across. 2x minus 3 times 1 is just 2x minus 3. 4x squared times x is 4x cubed. And that is it. This is a binomial. That's a monomial. They do not simplify. You are done. What can x not be equal to? Well, it cannot be equal to 0. Because that's in your denominator, and it also cannot be equal to negative 5/3. How did I find that, or how do I know that? Well, actually, all I do is I take this 3x plus 5, and I say it cannot be equal to 0. And I subtract that 5 from both sides. I get 3x cannot be negative 5 divided by 3. And x cannot be negative 3/5. Okay, so that's how I get that right there. Alright, last problem, you guys. Number 12. Off you go. Pause this. I'm going to show the answer here. Okay, there's number 12. 6x minus 2 over 10x squared. X cannot be 0 and negative 1. Great work, you guys. Homework again is in Big Ideas online version. You do have a nice and easy weekly participation assignment. And again, we have only 3 more weeks left. So after this, 2 more weeks, 2 more lessons, and then basically assessment. All right, bye.